This Aliner Ranger 12 A-frame trailer is brand new to our rentals lineup. Want to take a look at it? Well, let's check it out. Starting outside, the first thing you should make a note of are the storage compartments. Each is protected by a lock. On the entry side of the coach, you'll also find part of your AC unit and exterior power outlets. This rental is equipped with a spare tire located on the back end. Coming to the off-door side of the coach, this is the location of your hookups for water and power. You'll also find a port for a solar panel and an external shower. Moving inside, the first thing you'll notice is your kitchen space. Here you have a sink and a 2-burner gas cooktop. Below this is an incredibly convenient electric cooler, which can be pulled out for easy access. In the rear of the coach, you'll see a convertible sofa, which can fold down into a 56 by 76 inch bed. Adjacent to this is, once again, your AC unit, located above 2 storage cabinets. And if the AC seems like overkill on a nice day, you have a very efficient, fantastic fan, which will get the fresh air moving through the coach. Tilting our view back down, we finally come to the booth dinette. Here you'll find a spacious area to sit down and eat meals with up to about 4 people. But this also converts into a bed just like the sofa did. The bed is 46 by 76 inches, perfect for the kids. That's it for today. But for more information, go to www.beckleysrvs.com/rentals to get more information, browse our rental selection, and book your next getaway today. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a like. We love hearing from you. Until next time, we'll see you at the campsites.